In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Shopify country. Okay, so probably you have bought your Shopify store and the country is somewhere else, not your country. You can easily change the country. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can do that. Okay, now first log in into your Shopify store, and then what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on store details, okay, in the top. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit, just keep scrolling, and you can see here something called billing information. Okay, it's called billing information. Okay, in the top, you don't even have to scroll down, just you can see here billing information. Click on edit. Okay, now after you click on edit, guys, you will see here the country. So if you have a problem like this guy, as you can see, he said, as shown, the country section is grayed out and cannot be changed. If that's your problem, if you can change the country, this is what someone says about this. You have Shopify payments enabled. Go to your payments settings and disable it and come back to change the country. So make sure you disable Shopify payments. I'm going to show you guys if you can change it here. If you can change it, make sure you change the country and you click save in the top right. Now after, if you can change it, you want to do this right now. Okay, you want to click on settings and click as you can see, I'm going to do that, settings, and you want to click on payments and make sure you disable here Shopify payments. Okay, you just want to disable it, like disable Shopify payments, and come back to the same settings, store settings, and you will be able to change the country on your Shopify. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.